Hi guys, today I'm doing unpacking and demonstrating how this deck scrap brush works. This is how it comes in the package. It's the handle, it's from 4 pieces. I will put them together now and I will attach the brush to the handle. What I like is that the handle is long, so you don't have to bend down too much when you are cleaning outside. The handle is made from steel and the brush head has a sturdy wood block. Also, the bristles feel stiff and strong for outdoor cleaning. Another nice thing is that you can also take the brush head off and use it by hand. So if you need to scrap a smaller area like steps, corners or spot on your deck, you can remove the handle and use just the brush head. The brush is made for outdoor cleaning, so you can use it on deck, patio, walkways and other rough surfaces. It's good when you need something stronger than a regular broom, especially for dirt, mud, mold or outdoor buildup. Now I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna clean a spot on my patio with the brush. First I will spray with water and now I'll scrub it with the brush. Right now I'm not using dish soap or any cleaning supplies. If you had some spots that they are more greasy, you can use dish soap or any other cleaning supplies. So I think this brush is perfect for if you want to have something to clean your patio, deck, pool area or any other outdoor surfaces.